Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're here on the beautiful Las Vegas landing pad. We're here at the airport, McCarran Airport, and we're doing an oil change on a beautiful 2010 Dodge Charger. This is the 3.5 liter V6. Takes 6 quarts of 10W30, and this is our 100% synthetic Signature Series, good for 1 year, 25,000 miles, and offers tremendous protection. And we're also doing our AMSOIL oil filter, which is good for 1 year, 15,000 miles, and it filters at 98.7% efficiency. So definitely quite a bit of an upgrade compared to original equipment. So we're gonna go ahead and crack her loose. Here we go. Loose. I'm gonna go ahead and just unthread her. All right, good to go. We'll be back. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, we got our oil wrench pliers. We're gonna go ahead and pop off the oil. We're all wrapped up. Just go ahead and unthread her. Here we go. The hard part is now over. We got the oil bolt off, which was cranked down to about 170 pound-feet of torque. So remember, no air tools on any of this stuff. You don't have to torque it down. And then we got the oil filter off, which was torqued down to about 100 pound-feet of torque, which only needs to be torqued down to about 20 pound-feet. So keep that in mind. Always light. Now it's time to put in our 10W30 Signature Series. Let's do it. Here we go. Let's do it. We're up. Let's lubricate our gasket a little bit. Now, right, now it's time to go ahead and feel her up. Let's do it. Pouring in that liquid gold. Nothing like a good steady pour. Here with the owner, Edwin. This is his awesome 2010 Charger. We're gonna check the oil real quick. Do our final check. And there we go. It's right there in the middle of the checkers.
Nice.
Edwin, so how do you like the AMSOIL now that you've been running it?
Love it, man. Best oil ever. You gotta get it.
All right, sweet. We're putting our PI Performance Improver Fuel Injection Cleaner. Cleans your valves, cleans your fuel injectors, and it gets all the ethanol tarnish out of your whole fuel system, all in just one bottle. So it's very important you do that every 4,000 miles. It's just that easy. So you guys, we're all wrapped up on this 2010. We did a motor oil change with the AMSOIL filter. Filters at 98.7% efficiency. We did the 10W30 Signature Series motor oil, good for 1 year, 25,000 miles. And the last thing to do is to AMSOIL it. Grab the towel, push it on. And that's it, it's AMSOILed. We'll see you guys next time.